Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rucita Utama. I'm from 9J, so in this video, I will tell you guys how to make chicken katsu.
So the ingredients you need are a chicken breast, a bit of pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 200 grams of flour, 200 grams of breadcrumbs, and 1 egg. And the tools you need are a frying pan, a plate, a chopping board, and a knife. For the steps are: first, cut the boneless chicken breast into pieces. Here I only use half of it. I cut it into 3 parts. You can also cut it into 2 parts or according to your taste. Second, sprinkle the chicken breast with salt and pepper to give the chicken breast flavor. Make sure all parts of the chicken breast are covered with salt and pepper, so you don't miss anything. Third, put the seasoned chicken into the flour, then into the eggs, and finally into the breadcrumbs. Make sure all the parts of the chickens are covered. Repeat these steps until all the chicken is covered with the flour. Note: don't forget to wash your hands first before starting cooking. Fourth, pour the vegetable oil into a frying pan and turn on the stove over medium heat. Wait until the oil is hot, then put the chicken in the pan carefully. Don't forget to flip the chicken over when it's getting brown. Wait until the both sides of the chicken are changing color into golden brown. And then take it from the frying pan and drain it. When the chickens are drained, you can also cut it into pieces if you want to. And finally, the chicken katsu is ready to serve.
So this is the result of the chicken katsu. You can serve it like this, plain, or you can add some mayo or sauce. Thank you.